Holy shoot, is it time for another Spool to Cool video? Let's get started. Welcome to Spool to Cool. I've been working on a couple of thingies this month. I've been working on a doll maze puzzle that is a remix of somebody else's on Thingiverse. And I think it's working pretty good now. You might want to check it out. I guess I could put the link in the description. And just so you know what I'm talking about, it's a maze wrapped around a cylinder with a cover that would go over it. And basically you have to solve the maze, but there'd be a whole bunch of mazes inside of this as well. So you might want to check that out. I switched to a new slicer, by the way, and I'm kind of liking it. Let's check that out. So I guess you might notice this is Cura. And it seems to work pretty good in my opinion. It's got a lot of features. See if I pull on these down here. You can see sometimes it takes a little bit to fill in. That one wasn't so long, so it wasn't so bad. But how about this one? See how it just took a little bit of time to fill in? That's where it's got so many features. It just doesn't know how to load them all. But I'm not using all the features that it has either, and I don't have them all turned on. Just the ones I think I would use the most. And so, yeah, that's that. One thing I wanted to show you with these pieces here. If you look, the layer height is varying. You might wonder, is that a bad thing? And actually, I did this on purpose. I used one of the features in it to allow me to have the layer height vary depending on the level of details. Like right here, it's really thick. I don't know if you can see that. I'll bring it in a little closer. So right here, it's really thick, but up here it thins out to get that extra bit of detail in. And up here it thins out to get the detail in. So that feature, I think that helps the quality of the prints quite a bit. Okay, let's solve this little guy. This is one of those maze puzzles, and I'm going to give it a go. Okay. It's a little tight on this one. There we go. I'll scoot up a little bit where you can see it better. Getting started here. This is the outer maze. You can see the maze is actually visible here on this one. This went the wrong way. Let's see here. Maybe I did it. Seem right. There, it seems a little bit better. At least I think it did. Wait, hang on just a sec. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see what's going on. Ah, there's something. Now, can I get it to come out? Start over. See, where do I gotta go here? So it's right here right now. Okay. About this far. Okay. I'm gonna try going a little bit that way. I don't know if that's it. Let's go this way here. Okay, there's something there. Alright. think I did it. Now, there we go, see? And see, the way I did this top piece here, it's actually got a track all the way around the side here, and then a notch. And that track is actually part of the lid. So if I go ahead and unscrew this, I can solve the next one. And see this one, the maze on the inside. This might be a little tricky. Let's see. There's something tricky going on with this one here. Let's see, go this way. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. Okay. Where am I? Trying to get it. Ah, there we go. See? It's got a maze on the inside here. No, I don't think you can see that very good. But anyway, maze on the inside, maze on the outside. And we got another one here. This time there's no track because the maze was on the inside of that other one. See, there's the nub sticking out there that goes in the maze. Let's get started. Loosen that up. This one might be easier. Let's see here. Or not. Ah, there it goes. See, there you go. And more nubs. And now let's loosen this up. That one wasn't too bad. And there's this little one here, more nubs. And loosen this guy up. Okay, getting there. There we go. This is just a mini little demo one. You can obviously you can make ones bigger than this. Just go to Thingiverse and give it a shot. Anyway, now time to put it back together again. And just so you can see, there's 6 pieces over here on the table now. There's the inner one, there's the next one up, next one up. Okay, and there's one there, and this one there, and this one there. That's actually a cool scene there, huh? Okay, now let's start doing the solve of going backwards. Alright, let's see. Going back to being together here. Let me do a dead end here somehow. Oh, there it is. Okay, now screw it tight. Okay. Cool thing is these have threads on the inside that make it so you can tighten it up. Now this one. Oh, there it is. And now this one. You can see really big ones will get really hard. Okay, now let's see here. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Wait, it might be here though. Okay, wait, hold on. Got stuck. Oh, where is it? Ah, maybe over here. Oh, there it is. Screw it tight. Okay, there it is. And then we got this one to do. That one wasn't too bad. It's already in there. Tighten it up. Now this one, I'm gonna have to put this in there. So you go around the track until I get it in the hole. There we go. And then I'll start this. Unsolve this one. This one, like I said, was a little stiff. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Right, okay. Alright, getting there. Oh yeah. Really close now, I think. Let's do it this way. There it is. Okay. And it's back in its unsolved state. So you can like have a friend try to solve it and there'll be something on the inside they have to get to and all kinds of fun stuff. So that's all for today. I'll see you on the tube. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell and give me a little thumb